So I ask question, I talk say, I dey ask you say you don't do the do way you regret before. Have you had sex that you regretted, and why? Why you regret them? Was it the person? Now the person where you do the do with, Abi? Na the do go 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 go. Which one? Be the kilo share leg gun. All right, and I have this message from Isaac. Isaac from VI says, I be first time listener and I really did enjoy your program. I met this girl when I did Asaba. One thing can lead to another. I can't invite and come my house. While we did bed, I tried to kiss her, but mouth odor was so bad. I'm sorry. So I just went down straight with my finger for a mic check. LOL. But man, it was still bad. I still went ahead to spray her, spray her some things. And oh, damn it. I want mad. But I shall use one hand, shall cover my nose and still wipe them like that. Why are you guys like this? You went on that dirty journey. You went through that. Oh God. Okay, he said I shall use one hand, cover my nose and still wipe them like that. After she left, I had to wash my bed sheet and turn my bed upside down. I even used insecticide to spray my room because even air freshener no work. I never call him again. Hey! Sisterhood, wetin be this report? Why? I'm stressed. No way. This now the second report of body odor, mouth odor, and cookie odor, like coochie. No. I'm going back to my break. I can't do this anymore. This is no. Why would I do sisterhood like this? Oh my God. No, I'm going on a break and no way.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.